Hello traders, the title of this video is Know What Goldman Sachs has got to do with this stock analysis. We are on a monthly chart of Caterpillar stock. The AP is CAT, Charlie Alpha Tango, and we want to discuss what Goldman Sachs has got to do with this stock analysis. All right. So on Tuesday, the 4th of April 2017, because today is the 5th, all right, there was an article by Market Watch. So if you do not know Market Watch, the American traders already know Market Watch. You can Google search Market Watch. It's an excellent website for stock traders. All right. So check it out. So that article, Market Watch, was saying that Goldman Sachs turned even more bullish on the stock of a troubled heavy machinery maker, Caterpillar Incorporation, adding it to its conviction by list, all right, on expectation that two of the company's key markets are poised for a recovery. The bank reiterated its buy rating on a stock, Caterpillar, and set $120 price targets equal to 30% upside for current trading levels, and said the mining and construction industry have bottomed. The mining and construction industry have bottomed. So what Goldman Sachs has got to do with this stock analysis? So Goldman Sachs said it's very bullish towards Caterpillar stock. Now we want to check, technically speaking, all right, whether we have a reason also to become bullish and buy Caterpillar stock. All right. So first thing first, so because this is about stock trading, all right, and this is educational video for those who want to learn to improve their stock trading. The first thing that we need to understand, because very often you may hear on television, on the web, people talking about this stock is a buy, they buy this stock, all right, and so on. But what I tend to do myself, talking about myself, all right, I do not tell traders to buy or to sell. I often say to traders, give priority to bullish signal above a key level and give priority to sell signal below a key level. That's what I tend to do. The reason why I do that is because the market can change from 1 minute to the next, all right? And one may say, because usually traders are following leaders, so they may say, this person has more experience, and they will say buy, and they buy. But also you have to understand that when Goldman Sachs is saying to buy, it's not that one can buy at any price. You have to understand Goldman Sachs, they are sophisticated market participants, and they will not buy, okay, Caterpillar stock at any price, and they will also consider a proper market timing. But a lot of ordinary traders who are not sophisticated like Goldman Sachs may just go and buy, and they may not consider at all what is the most important in a financial market, the market timing. So you may know that the stock may go up, but if you buy at the wrong time or use the wrong financial tool to buy it, you may lose. So the market timing is very important. So that's why I do not tell traders buy, sell, because the timing is very important. So we use, all right, technical traders use what we call a top-down trading method for timing the market. Other technical trader may use the area wave pattern to time the market. Other technical trader may use also, all right, fractal pattern, predictive fractal pattern to time the market. So there are many ways one can time the market, but the most important thing, so this is a kind of warning for those who are joining the financial market. Understand that when you read the article like this and you say buy, and or Goldman Sachs is bullish, all right, on a particular financial instrument, it doesn't mean just go and buy at any price. Buy at a specific price, and also consider the timing. Otherwise, it may not work for you, all right? Very, 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 very important. And I explained to you the tool that we use to time the market, all right? So another thing that we also consider, this is to form you, all right, to train you to have the mindset of a professional stock trader. You may disagree, or it may not make any sense to you, that's fine. But personally, all right, we use what we call the trading triangle. So the market, so you want to buy. When do you buy? All right? When do you buy? All right? You need to consider that you are buying, you want to buy, you go to a market and buy. All right? So you have to check the market environment in which you want to buy. All right? It's like sowing, the farmer. I always use this example all the time, the farmers. Is this the best time to buy? Okay, good. All right. If it's the best time, all right. Now, what is the best price to buy it? What is the book value of this stock? What is the equilibrium price for this stock? What is the fair value, the price that is acceptable to you to buy? Don't just buy at any price. Become a more sophisticated market participant. All right? So then if you consider all this, so we are talking about the market first. That's what I call the trading track, the market first, and then the sector. According to Goldman Sachs, this is what I repeat already, Goldman Sachs said the mining and construction industry have bottomed. So he's talking about a sector, industrial sector, the mining sector, the construction equipment sector is bottom, which means it has been bearish before. Now it reached a level when it's due to go up. So now, apart from the markets, we need to consider also the sector in which we want to buy. So sometimes you may hear, okay, on the internet or somewhere, right? People talking about this stock is very bullish, it's a buy. Sometimes people buy and things work beautifully, and they buy because they are lucky. They buy and then everything works beautiful. Price goes up, everybody's happy, and everybody jump, everybody's rewarded. Okay, good. Okay, thumbs up for everybody. So now, sometimes these things do not align, which means the market environment is not good or the sector is not at the right place where one should consider to buy the stock. So people go, they analyze only the financial instrument because of what is said about the financial instrument alone, the stock alone, people will buy, but they forget the sector, they forget the market, and they forget the sector, and they get into trouble. Apart from those trading, which means the market, the sector, and the individual financial instrument, now what we are about to do is about the individual financial instrument. But Goldman Sachs is telling us that the construction sector, the industrial sector, has bottomed and is due for a recovery. All right. So now it's looking good. How about the S&P 500, which represents the market? The S&P 500 is in a triangle. Okay, at the top. So the market itself is not very encouraging, but the sector, according to Goldman Sachs, has bottomed. All right. Now, what we are about to do is about the financial instrument. But apart from those three things, we have another thing that we call the economy news relating to this stock. What is the story going on for a Caterpillar stock? All right. And then we talk about the news, right? This is about the news. Then we'll go to Google Finance. We check the fundamental perform Google as it, all right? Check the cash flow, see what's going on, okay? The fundamentals. And then we talk about the market leaders, all right? So Caterpillar belongs to, Dow 30. You want to know the market leaders for the Dow 30. And what are they doing? Those are market leaders. Okay, all this together will allow us to make excellent trading and investment decisions. This is about know what Goldman Sachs has got to do with this stock analysis. Now we can begin our stock analysis. So from today, all right, what I'm trying to encourage you to do is that from today you may go on the internet, or you may trust one particular website that may say this stock is very bullish. But when they say that, try to think of the best price to buy, and also about market timing. Do not forget the trading triangle. All right. So moving away, now we want to concentrate on the technical analysis of the Caterpillar stock. I recorded a video yesterday, and I posted that video at the 2 Stock Trader YouTube channel. The title of that video was how to recognize a bullish stock technically. Now, in fact, I posted that video today, but I recorded that video yesterday, but I posted it today, so you can check it out now. Today is the 5th of April 2017. I posted today how to recognize a bullish stock, technically speaking. So here we are. Goldman Sachs said that they are bullish towards this stock, and they set a price target at 120. Now let's put it there. So there is a reason why they put that price there. Let's put it on my chart. I'm going to put it there. Goldman Sachs. Now you have to understand that when we are talking about Goldman Sachs, is okay, the god daddy, all right, of the financial market, all right. You can't ignore Goldman Sachs if you are a trader or an investor. They are huge market participant, all right. So now, Goldman Sachs set price target at 120. You see carefully how they choose that price. There's a reason for it. The reason why they set that limit there, they know that there are resistance here. They know that there are resistance here. Somebody did sell that Caterpillar stock at this point in time, and they know that if the stock start going now from where it is now at $94.14, the most challenging resistance is in the zone of 120. So they say to us, all right, we are bullish toward that sector, all right, and we are also bullish toward that financial. Remember the trading triangle. So they are talking about a sector, all right, that sector, the industrial sector, the construction sector has bottomed and is more likely to go up. They talk about, all right, the individual financial instrument, the Caterpillar stock, all right, and they set a price target at 120, all right. So, but they did not say anything about the market, all right. They did not say anything about the market. Now, they didn't even say to people what is the best price to buy Caterpillar if one wants to buy at this point in time. Now, by using technical analysis, I was referring you to that video, how to recognize a bullish a stock, technically speaking. A bullish stock will break resistance. So when we use the word like resistance or support, people only think of horizontal resistance and support level. Don't get caught in that at all right? We are talking about the horizontal resistance, and we are also talking about trend line. So I'm going to start placing trend line on this side. You can see that there is this one here. It's quite challenging, bearish trend line. It's a resistance. You can't ignore it. All right? You can't ignore it. So as long as, okay, though Goldman Sachs say they are bullish, all right, technically speaking, as long as Caterpillar stock stays within that red channel, one will find it quite challenging to buy, okay, the Caterpillar stock. So now that I have that red channel on my chart, now what we are doing is that we take one information, a heavyweight market participant, Goldman Sachs, say that they are bullish toward Caterpillar. Now that's a very good information for us. Not we as a technical trader, how do we use that information to profit in the financial market? That's the challenge. All right. So now it's down to you to use the correct tool, the trading triangle, all right, and to time the market and to buy at the best price and also at the best place. So you see now it's in a declining channel. You see here. So price went up, it's pulling back. People will say this is a flag. All right. So it did below this support level and turn around. Okay. So here we will prefer. So what I would recommend to trader is to pay attention to the hot spot trading zone. So I have on my chart a pitchfork tool. So if you want to know more about pitchfork tool, you need to go to www.dayprotraders.com or subscribe to Day Pro Traders YouTube channel and watch the videos in a playlist relating to the pitchfork tool, the Andrews pitchfork tool. So this is a hot spot trading zone because it's the intersection between one of the line of the pitchfork tool and a key level, which is the median line of my red channel. So personally, like Goldman Sachs said, if there will be trading activity for this stock, those trading activity will take place at a hot spot trading zone. So what I'm doing now, you see the line I'm drawing now. So I'm connecting this point and this point here. I'm on the monthly chart. You see that line that I draw now on my chart. I will color it now into orange. And look carefully, my friend. This is how you want to trade. So here, I connect this point and this point, you see. And the third time the price touches here, and look, that's where we are now. That trend, that orange trend line that we have drawn here, when we leave it on the chart, look, that's where we are now. So there's another resistance right there. So what I will say, I would prefer to buy at the hotspot trade zone, or you see now, it breaks above the median line. So in an orderly fashion, technical trader would prefer it to retest this hotspot trading zone. So I would call it that hot spot trading zone into orange. All right. So technical trader would prefer it to pull back to this point, and then from there, as I told you, one of the tools that we use to time the market is what? Multiple time frame trading method. So, all right, day trader, for instance, we go to the 4-hour time frame. We use the 4-hour time frame for the trading setup. Then we use 50-minute time frame for the signal, and then we use 3-minute or 5-minute for the entry. That's one example of multiple time frame trading method. Or other trader may use the daily chart for the setup, hourly time frame for the signal, and 10-minute time frame for the entry. If they don't want to enter the trade on the 10-minute time frame, they can break it down to the 3-minute time frame. Or the swing trader may use the monthly chart for the trading setup. So if you pull back to retest that hotspot trading zone, that will constitute a bullish trading setup. Then we will implement a top-down trading method to trade the monthly chart for the setup, daily chart for the signal, and the hourly time frame for the entry. If we do not want to enter the trade on the hourly time frame, we can enter the trade on the 30-minute, 50-minute, or 10-minute time frame. All right. So here this is it. So we will prefer it to pull back here to this hotspot trading zone, or to push it gently above those two resistance, the orange and this one, and to give us another pullback to that secondary, hotspot trading zone. That will be the best place to look for an opportunity to buy as a technical trader. All right. So all I'm saying now, this is about using the information that Goldman Sachs is providing to us, that the construction sector has bottomed and they are bullish towards Caterpillar. Now we must now ask the correct question and trade like the most sophisticated technical trader. What is the best price to buy? Where is the best place to enter the trade? Now we are talking about market timing and specific price. Market timing and buying at a specific price. All right. All right. Market timing and buying at a specific price. This is why you will use all the time. Anytime you hear somebody talking about bullish stock, try to become more sophisticated market participant. Ask what is the best price to buy. All right. And where is the best place to enter the trade, all right? And consider all the time, the market timing, very, very important. So now I have on my chart the pitchfork tool, and I'm draw. This is the target price level, 200 level. So there's another intersection point, which is another hotspot trading zone. By the way, if you want to know more about hotspot trading zone, you need to go to hotspot trading. You need to go to stochastic-market.com. So by connecting this point, and this one here, now I have again another trend line here. I'll color it now into pink to please the ladies. All right, here we are. So here we are. We have that intersection point. That's another hotspot trading zone. So another thing you need to be very, very careful about is this. Usually when a very, very influential market participant is saying that this financial instrument or that financial instrument is very, very bullish, a lot of people tend to believe them now because they carry authority. Those people, they carry authority. People believe them. People trust them. But in the financial market, there is nothing about belief. Right? So it's nothing wrong to believe, but do not, use belief. All right? Follow the price. That's what I want to say. Follow the price, because the price will not fool you. So going back to that video that I titled How to Recognize a Bullish Stock does three essential things. The first is to break resistance and to convert those resistance into support level. That's the first essential thing any bullish financial instrument will do. All right. The second thing that a bullish financial instrument will do is that it will continue to display higher lows, higher high in a rising channel. Now, the third essential thing that a bullish financial instrument will do is that it will break that critical 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of the prior bullish price action and convert that Fibonacci extension level into support level. Those are the three essential things to recognize a bullish stock. So now that we acknowledge the information provided to us by Goldman Sachs, if we are looking for confirmation, looking at the price or analyzing the price action, one will now, focus on the three things that a bullish financial instrument will do. So where are the resistance level? Is he in a rising channel? Not yet. All right? Not yet. Okay? So those are the things you need to consider. So you may go, there are a lot of information on the web about this stock is bullish, this stock is bearish. Now from there, remember, specific price and market timing. All right, and do not forget the trading a triangle. Okay, so I can put another pitchfork tool on my chart. So now I will use 3 points, another 3 points. So this will be my first point here, this one, and this will be my second point, and this one will be my third point. So with those 3 points, we can easily have another pitchfork tool on our chart. So pay attention carefully here. So this is our new pitchfork tool, which I will color now into green so you can see it also on my chart. So you may say, George, what a messy chart. Oh, George, I wish I can see your room. All right, it's so messy. Look at that, George. Clean up your charts. All right, so now you see. So we have another green, a pitchfork tool. All right, you see now? So don't forget the hotspot trading zones. All right, and buying at a specific price. And the market timing. Those are the things that will help you to improve your trading. So will it pull back to the edge of the green pitchfork tool and take it from there and push it out, or will it break above the orange a key level? So at this point in time, all I will say to traders is that priority to bullish signal above the orange trend line. So this level here, got it to you. Reasonable above $100, priority to bullish signal above $100, one step at a time, and priority to bearish signal below the 100 level. If one wants to buy below the $100 level, look for the hot spot trading zone and use a top-down trading method to time the market like a pro. All right, so this is the end of this tutorial about what Goldman Sachs has got to do with this stock analysis. The financial instrument that we were analyzing is Caterpillar, a stock that belongs to the Dow 30 index. The sector is industrial, a sector. All right. If you have any question or suggestion, all right, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be busy recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about know what Goldman Sachs has got to do with this stock analysis. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.